Hi students. Okay students, did you complete your homework, previous class homework? I think you completed. Okay, everyone follow. Okay, yes. And before going to start this class, I will revise you about your previous class. What we discussed in the previous class. Is it right? Okay. In our previous class, we discussed about my body organs. Is it right? Yes. What is that? Body organs. Is it right or not? We discussed about this topic. Okay. So what is there? What we discussed in the my body organs topic? We discussed how is our body made up of. Okay. How it is made up of. Our body is made up of with organs. So many organs are there. Okay. They are the internal organs and the external organs. External organs means we can see with our eyes. They will appear outside. Internal organs means they are inside of them. They located inside our body. We can't see them. Okay, and we in our body mainly skeleton system is there. We discussed about that one. So this skeleton system is made up of bones. Okay, how many bones are there? 206 bones are there in an adult. Okay, and if you see in the just born babies or newborn babies, so we see in them 300 bones. So while they are growing, and these 300 bones, some bones join together form single bone. That is why in an adult stage we have 206 bones. Is it right? Yes. Okay. And what we discussed in the previous class, skeleton system. What is the use of skeleton? Okay, it gives us a shape, support, and with the help of skeleton system we are doing our work. We can bend forward, backward, sideways. Is it clear? Yes. And other we discussed about some other important organs. What are they? Brain. Where is your brain? Our brain located in our head or skull. Okay. It can control all the body organs, and we discussed about heart. It pumps the blood, and we discussed about lungs also. So while we are taking air inside, it is reaching to the lungs. Okay, in the what is the work of lungs? They are exchanging gases. Okay, and in the lungs, oxygen is taking in oxygen, carbon dioxide. These two gases are exchanging. Okay, and what we discuss another one, stomach. It is sac like organ. It can grind the food items, make like a paste. Then we are getting energy like that we discussed in the previous class. Is it right? Clear? Yes. Now we are going to discuss another topic. So the topic is things around us. Things around us. Do you know? Are you seeing what type of things you are seeing around you? Generally, when you wake up, that time onwards you are seeing different types of things. Is it right? So around your house and in your surrounding places, you are seeing different types of things. Is it right or not? Say some examples. Who will say? Yes. You are seeing generally in your house. Suppose you take in your house. What type of things you can see? Chairs are there. Okay. TV, table, bench, like that. So many are there, etc. Is it right? So we can see these things in our house. Suppose if you enter into the outside or enter into the street, then what type of things you can see? Yes. See, you can see here trees, plants, animals, boards, buildings, etc. Is it right? Water also, you are seeing water, you are drinking water, like that. Because these are all things. These are all things. Are you understanding? Yes. So when we are in the house, or when we went out, or when we stay out, or when we go outside of your house, from our house, we are seeing so many types of different types of things. Different types of things. So we discussed some examples. We are seeing these things in our house. Outside of our house, we can see this type of things. Is it clear? So if you see outside or look around, we can see so many things. So in them, what we discuss here, this type of things we can see. We are seeing. Is it right? Yes. So all these things together form environment. All these things together, all these things together form our environment. Form our environment. Is it right? Okay. What is an environment? All these things. Now we discuss now all these things means we discuss here. What type of things are there around us? So these all things together form an environment or form our environment. Okay. So in this environment, we are seeing these all types of things. These all types of things. Okay. So in them, we are seeing mainly two types of things. What are they? Natural things. Suppose if you see some things, they are the natural or there. Natural. Here things are two types. They are the natural things and man-made things. Man-made things. Alright, we discussed about different types of things. We are seeing around us many things. So in them, so these things are two types are there. What are they? First one is natural things. Second one is man-made things. Is it clear for all? Yes. First one, natural things. We have discussed about natural things. So first of all, what are natural things? What are natural things? First of all, discuss this one. Natural things means, see, they created by nature. Do you know nature? Yes. So they created by nature. Nature means surrounding places, so total environment is called nature. So either mountains are there, rivers are there, okay, buildings, houses, villages, cities, forests, everything is there. That is called nature. Naturally they are created. Naturally they are creating. Okay. So here natural things. What are natural things? First of all, we have to learn or we have to discuss about natural things. So the things that are created by nature are called natural things. Clear? Natural things means the things that are created by nature. The things that are created by nature So they are called natural things. Natural things. Suppose, will you say some examples of natural things? Chair. Chair is the wrong answer. Okay, it's wrong answer. So what are the natural things? See here, some examples. River, sea, sun, moon, trees. Okay. Next, rocks, etc. Do you see anytime this type of things? River. Do you know river? Yes. Sea or ocean? Yes. Sun, moon, trees, rocks, etc. Animals, birds, animals, everything. So these are all called natural things. These all things are made by or created by nature. Is it clear? Suppose sun is there. I am taking a sun example. Will you create sun? Is it possible? No. Suppose you take here rock. Suppose I want some this much size of big rock. I want that one. Shall I make that one? Will you make the rock this much size of rock? Is it possible? No. It is created by just nature only. It's not possible to us. So such type of things are called natural things. See here, what are natural things? The things that are created by nature are called natural things. Examples: river, sea, sun, moon, trees, rocks, birds, animals, etc. These are all made by nature. Clear? Yes. And second one is there. What is the second one? What is the second one? Yes. Second one is man-made things. Man-made things. In this word only there, meaning. Things are there. So these things are made by man. Man means human beings, we only. Is it right? So some things are there. These things are made by man or human beings. Okay? So what are man-made things? The things that are made by or created by humans or men, humans, human beings are called man-made things. Man-made things. Clear? So what is the second one? Man-made things. What is the meaning of man-made? What are man-made things? The things that are made by human beings. The things that are made by human beings. Okay? So these type of things are called man-made things. Will you say examples? What are the examples of man-made things? Who will say? Yes, now I am writing with chalk. Is it right? Who made this one? Yes, human being or man. So chalk, duster, chair, table, book, etc. If you see, means so many are there, man-made things. Okay? What are man-made things? The things that are made by human beings are called man-made things. Is it clear? Yes. So here we discussed some examples. I said I am saying to you some examples of man-made things. What are they? Chalk. Chalk means piece of chalk. Duster, chair, table, book. In your house, so many things are there. TV, refrigerator, washing machine, fan, table, okay, dining table, like that. So many are there. Almara, like that. So many things are there. Bed sheets, carpets. So many are there like that. Is it right? Yes. So these are called man-made things. Is it clear? Yes. So just we have to see some examples. What are the man-made things? What are the human natural things? This side I am writing here natural things. Natural things. And this side man-made things. What are the examples of natural things? Mountains. Okay? Trees. Okay? Animals. Okay, are you listening? Mountains, trees, animals, wind, water. So these things are made by nature, created by nature. So these are the examples of natural things. Say some examples of man-made things. Who will say? Yes, see here. Houses, furniture, toys, clothes, books, etc. So these are the man-made things. Examples of man-made things. Houses, furniture, toys, clothes, books. Is it clear for all? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Is it clear? Yes. See, first of all, we have discussed about living things. What are living things? What are living things? See, what are living things here? Some things are there. Means here things that have life. Things that have life are called living things. Living things. Things that have life are called living things. This is one abbreviation, one of the meaning. What are living things? Already we discussed about different types of things. What are the different types of things? We are seeing so many things. Now we are seeing natural things. Some are made by human being. Everything we discussed. So in them, some things have life. Life means, so whatever you take one thing, whatever it, suppose one animal, like you take one cat. So if you see cat, it is eating, it is breathing, it is growing in size, it can move from one place to another place, it is doing like this different activities, it can die. Is it right? Okay. So which thing has like this, which thing is doing these activities, all activities, so it has life, it has a life. Suppose human being is a, so I am a human being, I am explaining, I am teaching, I am walking, I am eating, I am sleeping, I am running, I am doing different activities, so I have life now. Suppose if you take chalk or if you take duster, now we have to say, is it contain, is it has life? Is it has life? No. Why? It is not eating, it is not breathing, it is not sleeping, it is not moving, it is not doing. Nothing is there. Is it right? Understood everyone? Yes. So the things that have life are called living things. Examples, what are the examples? Boards, animals, plants, human beings are humans. Okay, these are living things. What are non-living things? Things that have no life, that have no life are called non-living things. Non-living things. They are called non-living things. Examples, will you say examples? Things, see here, things that have no life. No life. So they are called non-living things. So they have no life means what is that? They don't have. I already explained. I said to you, I showed to you this one about chalk. I said to you about chalk. I said to you about duster, and it is a book. So these things have no life. How you are saying? How we are saying this one? Suppose I am taking this book. Is it eat? Is it sleep? Is it move? Is it have any feel? Feel means suppose somebody pinch you, pick with any pencil or any object. Then what you have to do? You can get something pain, feeling like that. Is it right? But I am beating like this. Is it say anything? No. So it has no life. So it is that is why it is called a non-living thing. Non-living thing. Okay. So what are the examples? Book, duster, table, etc. So many are there like that. So these are the non-living things. Okay. So now we will discuss what they are doing, living things, and what they are not doing, non-living things. Okay. Got it, everyone? Here, mainly two types of living things, two types of things are there. So what are they? Already we discussed that one. Man-made things are there and natural things are there. In these things, some things have life. Some things have life. So which things have life? They are called living things. They are called living things. Examples: birds, animals, plants, humans. In them, some things they don't have life. They don't have life. So they are called non-living things. Non-living things. Examples: what are they? Book, duster, table, etc. Okay. And now we are going to discuss what they are doing, what type of feelings are there in the living things. Okay, see, living things, they can move. These are the characters. These are the characters or characteristics of living things. So what is the first character? They can move. They can move. What are they? Living things. Living things. This is non-living things. Non-living things. Can they move? They don't move. They don't move. Clear? They can breathe. They can breathe. They don't breathe. Clear? Yes. They can eat. They don't eat. They reproduce. Don't reproduce. Do you know about reproduce? You know, breathe, move, eat, everything. Okay? Reproduce means, what is the meaning of reproduce? Reproduce means giving birth. Giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones. It is called reproduce. See, living things, they can reproduce. How? See, suppose one bird is there, or human being is there, or any animal is there. If you take anyone, they give birth to young ones. Suppose you take birds, they lay eggs. After hatching the eggs, and the young ones are coming out. And some animals are there, or other human beings are there. Directly they will give birth to young ones. Is it right or not? Already you know that one. So that is called reproduction. But here, non-living things are there. Okay, they don't reproduce. They don't have any reproduction. Suppose if you take chalk is there, piece of chalk. Okay. Suppose another one duster is there. I have one duster. Is it give birth to another duster? It's not possible. Okay. So they don't have any reproduction. Okay. These are some differences between living things and non-living things. Is it clear? Yes. And once see what we discussed in this class, I am revising you. First thing is we discussed about things around us. Is it right? So how many types of things are there? Mainly two types of things are there. They are natural things and man-made things. Is it clear? Yes. Natural things means nature. They are created by nature. Okay? Examples. What are the examples of natural things? Rivers, oceans. Okay? Like that. What are the examples of man-made things? Man-made things means human beings are creating them. Examples. What are they? Chair, table, bench, like that. Okay? Yes. Now I am giving to you a small homework. Okay? After listening this class, you have to write answers. Okay now? Are you following everybody these class and are you doing homeworks? Yes. So there's some homework. I'm giving to you homework. Okay now? Name some natural things. What are living things? What are living things? Third one is, what are non-living things? Okay, these are the questions for your homework. You have to write after using this class one, right? And in the next class, okay, we are going to discuss about plants around us. Plants around us. This is our next class. The next class we will discuss about this. Okay, clear? Thank you.